Well, hey, the clock is ticking. There are just 5 days left for all you procrastinators out there before you have to file your taxes. The original April 15th deadline was extended to May 17th, which is this coming Monday.
Yes, the Oregon Department of Revenue estimates it will receive more than 500,000 more returns between now and then. Joining us live to discuss taxes is Rich Hoover, the Public Information Officer for the Oregon Department of Revenue. Good morning to you.
Hi, good morning. Good to see you.
Yeah, good to see you too. So what do people like, I think Emily need?
No,
Oh,
I'm
you
done.
filed? Oh, you're done.
Filed.
Okay. What do
No
other
longer
people?
in this camp, but I cut it close.
A lot of people, though, still have that looming deadline. So what do they need to know?
Well, as you said, the deadline is May 17th, and we encourage everyone to, of course, send in their tax returns by that time. But they also have an opportunity to ask for an extension, and that extension to file would go to October 15th. But we need to make sure that people understand that their extension to file doesn't mean they have an extension to pay. So if they think they will pay, need to pay some of their taxes, they need to do that by the 17th.
Interesting. Okay, so it might just be easier to get it done and figure it out this week if you can. Now, there are a couple things this year, more than just like your tax refund, that are kind of hinging on you filing your taxes on time, right?
Well, there has been folks that have had unemployment insurance. They now can forgive if their income is less than about $150,000 a year. The American Resource Plan that was enacted back in March will allow them up to $10,200 in relief for their taxes for that unemployment insurance. So yeah, there's a couple of elements here given the pandemic situation that's gone on and the changes in some of the tax guidance from the IRS. So we just want folks to make sure that if they have any questions with our department, give us a call or go on our website, and we have a lot of information, a lot of frequently asked questions that they can look at to get the information that they need.
Okay, and as far as stimulus checks and there was a question on if people would be taxed on those, is that all worked out now with the state?
Well, yeah, those situations pretty much have been responded to, and people now should be in the mode of just filing their tax returns, hopefully getting them in by March 17th. We always encourage folks to do it online. They can make and schedule electronic payments from their bank account or by credit or debit card through our Revenue Online portal, and we really encourage that as the fastest way for them to get a return.
I know, people, you do your taxes and then the countdown clock starts. It's like, when am I going to get my refund? When am I going to get my return? So what is like the typical timeline for federal and state taxes?
I don't know that there's a typical timeline, Emily, but we have great staff here at Revenue, and they do everything they can as efficiently as they can to get people's returns in their hand as soon as possible. So as long as there's no issues with somebody's return, that usually gets processed as fast as possible. And we just encourage folks that the earlier you file, the earlier you'll get your return.
Yeah, I know we got a return this year from the state, not from the feds, but from the state, and it only took about a week. So thank you for that. All right. Thank
Terrific.
you. Yeah, thanks, Rich Hoover from the Oregon Department of Revenue for joining us. And of course, we will post this interview along with these tax tips on KOIN.com.